Steal somebody. Sink or swim. Grace isn't here. Who else isn't here? Oh, Evan's not here for good. And who else? Eunice. I think Eunice is coming. Okay. We may need to balance teams, but we'll do that if we need to. Hello.
Can you do it for free, please?
Yes.
It's really rough. It's not even.
Yeah. Do you want me to just like scan it and send it back to you after I've done?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, can do. All righty. Oops.
Widgets not checking.
Yes.
Might be missing lab.
There is no lab today. We're doing review. So you're good. What's that? Oh, yes. Okay. I was missing, correct? Yeah, I know. I'm going to tell everybody. I got to go through that. I don't know what it got cut off or something. And so,
I was not scared for last week's I had a exam, by the way.
yes, I know.
Yeah.
Although everybody said you were scared. What? You got more bones for me? Oh, daggone. That's awesome. That one needs some serious scrubbing. I will get it. Thank you. It's a jaw.
My mom was like, get that out of my
Part of a mandible.
I don't think that came from Kroger.
No, that's awesome.
That did not come from Publix.
It's from a cow.
Thank you. All right, stand with your teams. We're going to stand with our teams. And I need to maybe balance some people out.
Yes. Not here today. It's Daniel.
Yes.
Not here.
No, he's here. He's just not down here yet. All right, let's see. Okay, where's Doom? Here's Team Doom. How many members are present on Team Doom? How many do you have over there? 5? Where's Team UPS? How many members are present on your team? Okay, 4. Fork in an outlet. You only have 2 of you, right? 3 of you? Okay. Street cred where you're here.
You should have everyone.
You should have everyone. Who has 5? You guys? No, you have 4. You have 4.
No, yeah, we have 4. Sorry.
You have 4. You have 5. You have 5? Okay. Can we move one of the seniors to work in an outlet? Okay, there you go. That's fair. All right. All right, Drew, your team's over here. Okay, can one of y'all, so we don't confuse, can Fork in an Outlet come over in this room? Just so we have everybody.
Oh, wait, is it teams of 4?
4. Now everybody's 4.
Oh, it's not 2 teams.
It's 4 teams of 4. All right. Are we all divided up? Can we tell who's where? All right, so we are going to play sink or swim. All right, now here's the deal. Remember, we got to keep our volume in check. Jason's not trialing today. He's actually here. So we got to kind of keep it down a little. There are over 100 questions in this. So answer as quickly as you can. If you're taking too long, I'm going to bounce you and move on because I want to get through them all. Okay? We should be able to get through them all. All right? Are we ready? So we are going to play. Hello. Do your thing. Sink or swim. Here are our rules. We have divided into teams. You're going to stand in question answering order. I'll give you a second to figure out what question answering order is going to be.
Like this.
Like that.
Oval.
Okay. Everybody figured it out? A student from the first team will be asked a question. We're going to just go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If the student gets the question right, they will choose to either sink a member of a different team or unsink a member of their team if someone has been sunk. Remember that a sunken student must sit in place and remain sitting until they are unsunk. Sunk students may not answer questions or help answer questions. If you unsink a member of your own team, you can tap them on the shoulder or tell them to get up, and that person is now active again. If a student gets a question wrong, you got to sink, which means you got to sit. Down you go, right? A team is out if all members have been sunk. When all the questions are answered or the allotted time has run out, the team with the most teammates standing is the winner. Rules, more rules. Only the person answering the question may speak. Nobody else may speak. Teammates can give nonverbal clues. That's pantomiming. Some of you know sign language. Here we go. I've seen this before. Yep. Okay. All that kind of business. There we go. You will have about 30 seconds to answer each question. Question number 1, going to our first team over where you guys were UPS, right? So it's UPS, Doom, Street Cred, and Forking and Outlet. All right. We ready? Everyone should be paying attention to every question, even if it's not your question, because it is your review. An organized plan for gathering, obtaining, and organizing information. Who's your answering question? You are? B, scientific method. You're correct. What would you like to do?
Sync Asher.
Thank Isabel for betraying.
Sink Isabella for betraying. I think she was poached, but okay. Question number 2. Which is not considered a branch of physical science? Doom.
What do you Asher do? B. Astronomy.
Astronomy is incorrect. Zoology would be a branch of natural science biology. So, well, you are down. Bye, Asher. You can get a chair, Asher, so you can still see. All right, question number 3, going back to Street Cred. Your independent variable is what you keep the same, true or false? False is correct. Yes. What is your independent variable? Let's change. Very good. All right. 1 kilogram is equal to. Oh, sorry. What are you doing? I forgot.
Sync Asher.
Bye, Colin. All right, now it's up for you guys. What are you doing? A kilogram is equal to 100 grams. True or false? That is false, right? What are you going to do with that? Okay, Isabella's up. Coming back around to Team UPS for round 2. Question number 5. An observation is made using the senses, and inference is made based on prior knowledge and experience. True or false? True, she says, and she's right. What would you like to do with your answer?
Sync Asher.
Raise Colin. Asher's sunk already.
John is dead.
All right, Doom, question number 6. The statement, the worm is 3 centimeters long, is a
C.
an observation, and you are correct. What would you like to do with that?
Think unit.
Sync Eunice. Sibling rivalry. Street Cred, question 7. What are we looking at here?
Cheating.
It's Emerson's turn, right? She's our answerer. So remember, Emerson, they can give you nonverbal clues if you're not sure. C, she's correct. What would you like to do with that?
Got a team of them. Those are the biggest.
Be quick. We got
Yeah.
Thinking Yusuf. All right. And over here for you guys, what are we looking for here? Jordan? It is a nonverbal clue.
Hector?
Hecto. Okay. And what would you like to do? Be quick.
I'm gonna sing Xander.
Oh, bye.
No.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there.
You know, someone on the team. No.
No. I can override and choose to raise someone if you're not answering any questions, because I do need you answering questions. All right, question number 9, going back over here to UPS. Your question is, what's this one? There we go. What would you like to do with that? Sync Drew. Bye, Drew. All right, Barrett. Here's your question. What are we looking for, Barrett?
Do it.
They can't give you clues if they're sitting.
Kilo.
Kilo. Oh no. So what I'm gonna do?
You got D.
I am genuinely concerned for you.
So what I'm going to let you do is I'm going to let you go if another full round with no action activity, and then I will raise one of you so that you can keep answering questions. Hopefully you can save your teammates. All right, so we're at Ridley, right? And what's this one?
Why'd you say A? No one said A.
That's a delta.
Just do A.
What you got, Ridley? All right, you got it. And what would you like to do? Kenna, bye, Kenna. All right, Isabella, you're up. What do we got? Hey, Kilo, very good. All right, Delta, as some people say, yes. And what would you like to do?
Need to raise people.
All right. Coming back to UPS, what have we got here? A hypothesis is an idea that can be tested. It can't be proved or disproved. It must be something irrepeatable or something else irrepeatable. Everly? Supported and rejected. Very good. And what would you like to do with that? Be quick. She's so good. Bye, Kenna. All right, who are we at? Claire? All right, explain the difference between scientific theory and scientific law, Claire.
Scientific law is what happens, like the why, or scientific law is what happens, and scientific theory is why it happens.
There you go. Scientific law tells what happens, a fact. Scientific theory tells why it happens, an explanation. And what would you like to do with your correct answer?
Thanks, Jordan.
Bye, Jordan.
Yeah.
All right, coming around over here. We're back at Lucas, right? Oh no, that's right, Isabella. Sorry, we're at Isabella. I saw movement and my brain went dead. Okay, Isabella. Common refrain: science is never settled. All right, you know this one. Why is science never settled? 3 parts.
Science does not exist in a binary state.
It's number 1.
Science exists to narrow uncertainty.
That's 2.
Science is either supported or rejected.
Almost. Rethink the third one.
Cheating.
Wait,
That's
let her
not
look.
cheating.
Let her look. She's real close. This is the hardest one.
Supported or unsupported.
No, you're real close. So science does not exist in a binary state. The second one was the one that got you. Poor or good understanding in one area does not negate good or poor understanding in another area. And natural science is about narrowing uncertainty. She got 2 out of 3. Should we leave her up?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll leave her up. I say we leave her up. All right. She got 2 out of 3. I'll be nice to you.
It's still wrong.
She would have gotten partial credit. So if it had landed on any of you, we'll leave her up, and then I'm gonna raise Asher after Lucas goes. All right, Lucas. Process by which organisms keep their conditions relatively stable is called
D.
D. Homeostasis, correct. And what would you like to do with your answer?
Sync Isabella.
Oh, what was that? Nope. All right, Ash is down. All right, so again, we'll go a full round before you're raised. All right, I'm going to raise Asher for the sake of review. Asher, your question. Enzyme speeds up a reaction by doing what?
A. Lowering activation.
Lowering activation energy is correct. What would you like to do with your correct answer? Who are we raising? Xander's up. All right, so now we are back to Emerson, right? All right, what is the best answer? All life on Earth exists in... Y'all can help her nonverbal cues if she needs it.
Yeah, okay.
All right, what's your answer? A, the biosphere is correct. What would you like to do with your answer?
Accurate.
Be quick. What are we doing? Oh, we're sinking Asher. Bye, Asher. All right, so y'all sit for this round. Coming back to Lucas. A group of different species living together in areas called. Yeah, it is, because they're all down.
Yeah, but I could.
Oh, you just went? So it's, oh, Caitlin. Sorry. Caitlin.
C.
Yes, a group of different species is a community. Very good. Excellent. What would you like to do with your answer?
No.
Be quick. Sinclair. Bye, Claire. Down you go. All right, who's up over there? Xander? Xander, question 20 is for you. The total amount of living tissue at each trophic level in an ecosystem can be shown in A. B, biomass pyramid's correct. And what would you like to do with your answer? All right, Barrett's up. Okay, Ridley? The maximum number of organisms of a particular species that can be supported by an environment is the. She's thinking. Oh, she's thinking hard. Throwing out there whatever you've got. What do you think? D, carrying capacity is correct. You got it. She's like, oh my gosh. All right, very good. What would you like to do with your correct answer? You got 2 down on your team. Drew's up. Very good. All right, I'm going to raise Eunice because you've answered the least questions. Question 22. Despite differences in size, shape, and function, at some point all cells possess DNA and
B.
B is a cell membrane. What other answer might there be there if it wasn't multiple choice? Cytoplasm, correct. But if it's multiple choice, you know that's going to be it. Okay, what are you going to do?
C.
No.
Who did you say? Wait. Okay, Isabella's up. All right, coming back around. Colin, question 22. What is used by cells to store energy required for cellular processes? ATP is correct. What would you like to do with your correct answer? Bye, Drew. Down again. All right. So next we have who? Barrett? All right, 23. Different forms of a gene are called. You can get nonverbal cues from Xander, but that's it.
C, alleles.
Alleles is correct. And what would you like to do with your correct answer? Raise Asher. All right, so now we're back to Emerson now? All right, Emerson. Which are haploid? You can get nonverbal clues from Ridley. Which are haploid? Throw out something. Anything. What have you got? All right, you give up? You give up? It's okay if you give up.
Wait, you sink either way.
Yeah, she'll sink if it's, she's gonna sink if she gives up or if it's wrong. Do you have an answer?
Yeah.
A is correct. She saved herself. There you go. Gametes. Haploid means it has what? Half the number of chromosomes. Therefore, what's the opposite of that? Diploid is full. Yeah, which of these would be diploid? Everything else that's not. An autosome is a body cell, stem cells, right? Okay, very good. What are you going to do with your correct answer? Raising Claire. All right, now we're back to Isabella. Question 25. The movement of water molecules across a selectively permeable membrane is called osmosis. True or false? True. Now, important. On your lab rats exam, this last one, this was probably the most missed question, and maybe it was how it was phrased. I'm going to go back and look at it. I also have to look at another one. So there's probably going to be some change in your score. Osmosis works across a concentration gradient. That's what I'm looking for. Concentration gradient. And diffusion, osmosis is a type of diffusion. Diffusion works across a concentration. That if I open a bottle of perfume over here, eventually you'll smell it over there because it's going from more concentrated to less because it's balancing out. What would you like to do? Kenna's up. Excellent. Coming around to Everly, question 26. Okay, this one's not Everly because it's a lab rats level. We're going to bounce it to Lucas, and then the next one will be yours. First organisms to repopulate a deforested area are known as a keystone species. True or false? False is correct. What are they called? Pioneer species. Very good. All right. Now, coming back around to, what are you going to do with that? Everly, you can decide. Asher's down.
Don't listen to the voice.
So now we're back. Who's that? Is it Xander? Are you up, Xander? All right. Natural resource that is quickly replenished is known as a common resource. False. What is it? Renewable. What would you like to do with your answer, Xander? Raise Asher. Okay, that was Asher's getting some cardio in today. Up, down, all right? He's doing squats or something. All right, now we're to Ridley. Is it you? Yes. All right, Ridley. Organisms with two identical alleles are homozygous. True, false?
You can give me one. Let's get you up. I want you to go out.
Sure.
True. Very good. What if they had two different alleles? They would be heterozygous. Very good. What would you like to do with your answer?
Why do you?
She's thinking hard.
Double think you said.
That was
Round. We just leave.
What you doing? She looks evil. She's looking hard. Isabella's down you go. All right, Kenna. Taking advantage of naturally occurring variations in organisms to pass wanted traits to offspring is called selective breeding is right. What would you like to do with your correct answer? Isabella's back up again. Coming around. All right, Everly, this one's yours. The process by which the code in DNA is copied into a strand of RNA is called, and you can get help from your teammates, nonverbal clues. DNA to RNA. Remember, there's two processes. You have DNA to RNA, and then you have RNA to protein. What's your answer? B, right, transcription. Translation would be if you're taking it and you're going from the RNA to the amino acids / proteins. Very, very good. What would you like to do? Are you pointing at Eunice? Oh, bye, Eunice. All right. Next up is Asher. Oh my gosh, Asher gets a question. Number 30. Yeah. Oh, you didn't go? Okay, I'm sorry. It's you. It'll be you next. Sorry. All right. What you got, Barrett? Which is an example of a vestigial structure in humans? Appendix is very good. What would you like to do? Down she goes. All right, now we're on Claire. What is the best definition for scientific method? I'll just let you read through them. And C is right. What would you like to do?
Then can I?
Sing Caitlin.
Sing Caitlin. Hi, Caitlin.
Thank you.
All right, are we on Kenna?
Yes.
All right, building blocks of proteins are?
B amino.
And what would you like to do with your answer?
I'm gonna raise.
Isabella's up again. You're getting your exercise today, hon. All right, Colin, is this you? All right. Which shows the correct organization of life? C is right. Okay, very good. Now, in your study guide, it started with atoms, right? So it may not do that on your exam. What would you like to do with your answer?
Oh. But then we, but it's why you're not paying, where's the sink bear?
Bye, Barrett.
I like to gross little bits.
No.
He says. All right, this one's for you, right, Asher? This is you. Which best describes DNA in a typical prokaryotic cell?
It's the same.
Oh.
Well, either A
It's
or
A.
A.
Well, that should help you.
The answer is A, it's also just happens to be D.
Are you sure of that? Prokaryotic cell, not a eukaryotic cell. Down anyway. You just said yeah, that's okay. If that answer's in there twice, here's a clue. Usually, if the answer's in there twice, it's probably wrong. It could be right, but read over it carefully, right?
Two of the same question.
Yeah, I know something came through weird. I got to go back over and look at the test because I copied it from 4 years ago when I moved it over. So there were a couple things in there that didn't quite come across right. I'm gonna check them all after class. All right, so who's up now? Emerson, is it you again? All right, Emerson. A or an is a trait that helps an organism survive and reproduce. What do we call those traits? B, adaptation. Very good. What would you like to do? Oh, now they're all down. All right, when we get to like questions like I'll say 90 and on, if your team is all sunk, it's all sunk, right? I'll let you keep I'll get you up after around this time because I do want you answering. Okay, who's up? Who is up now? Is it Isabella? All right. What did Lamarck believe? See, yeah, that the use or disuse of a structure or behavior would cause organisms to gain or lose traits. Remember the sad giraffes, the dead giraffes that couldn't reach the trees, and then the ones that, yeah, okay. Very good. And the buff babies. Yeah, the buff babies. All right. What would you like to do with your answer? All right, Jordan. Good deal. Okay, question 41 is coming to Everly. Everly. Darwin's idea of how evolution occurs is called A, natural selection. Very good. What would you like to do? Raise Caitlin. All right, very good. Question 42, Ridley. A change in a species over a long period of time is called evolution. True, is very good. What would you like to do? Raisin Drew. Very good. All right, Kenna, we're up for you.
Yes.
A random change in a population's allele frequency is called genetic shift. Yeah, what is it called?
Drift.
Genetic drift. Read carefully. What would you like to do? Oh, bye, Colin. All right, question 44. So are we at Lucas now? Lucas, stem cells are totipotent, true or false? True. And what would you like to do?
Same Ridley.
Ah, bye, Redley. Okay. Question 45. This goes to Drew.
Wait, who's first?
Me.
We go to you.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to raise one more round around, then you get raised. Okay. A cladogram links groups of organisms by showing how evolutionary lines or lineages branched off from common ancestors.
True.
True. And what would you like to do? Thinking hard.
Yeah, same date.
Ah, down she goes. All right, so are we on Jordan? Jordan. A derived character is a trait that arose in the most ancient common ancestor of a particular lineage and was passed along to its descendants. What you got? All right.
Say false.
False. Yes, it's false. It's your most recent, not most ancient common ancestor. What would you like to do?
We need
St. Lucas is mean.
Yeah, I'm gonna sing Lucas.
Oh, St. Lucas. All right, Everly. A relationship between organisms that strive for the same resources in the same place. Mutualism, commensalism, predation, parasitism, or competition. Fighting for the same resources. Yes, competition, very good. What you gonna do? Colin's up. All right, now I'm raising Yusuf. Yeah, well, is your butt asleep yet? I mean, you've been on the floor a while.
Chaos has arisen.
Ah, yes. All right, Yusuf, your question. A relationship in which one species benefits while another is not affected. Mutualism. You're wrong.
Why are you so? You think about it.
Yay, that's it. Now we're at
Chaos is gone once again.
Drew, is it you? All right, a relationship in which one species benefits while the other is harmed. Parasitism, yes. And what would you like to do? Oh, you said C. Oh, you said it wrong. Oh, you did say C. You're right. I thought you said D. Okay, so you're wrong. So you're sunk. Okay. Parasitism, one benefits, the other is harmed, is parasitism. Oh, okay. Well, that was short-lived. All right, who are we? Isabella. Again. All right. A relationship in which both species benefit. That one would be mutualism. Very good. And what are we doing? Raising Yusuf. All right. Eunice. Sorry, Eunice. Wrong brother. Yeah, Eunice, wrong brother. All right, so now Colin. All right, one organism kills and eats another. Yeah, that one would be predation. Very good. And what would you like to do with that? Sinking Jordan by Jordan. All right, now we're up to Emerson. Are we on Emerson now? All right, no, yeah, you guys are down for another round. Okay, Emerson. Okay, correctly order the taxonomic rankings. Now remember, this was the one I said starts with King Philip. If you exclude domain, you can say, Dear King Philip. What did King Philip do? Don't give her answers if she's not on your team. Let her decide. B is right. Good. Dear King Philip came over for good soup or good spaghetti, whichever you like. What are you going to do? Who's she eyeballing? She's very contemplative here. Okay, what are you doing? Kenna, down you go. All right, so Eunice, this one's yours? Okay. This biome is often very hot and has little rainfall. D. And what would you like to do? Raise Kenna. All right, we're on Colin, right? Or Everly thought she just went. Oh, okay. Everly's turn. This biome is hot with rainfall only in the rainy season. You can get nonverbal clues from Colin. All right, what's your answer? What did you say? B? Nope, it's gonna be F. Ah, down goes Everly. All right, so now we're gonna raise Barrett. Question 54 for Barrett. This biome has changing seasons and year-round precipitation. Thinking hard.
C.
You got it. And what would you like to do? Xander's up. All right. Now whose turn is it? Claire? All right. This biome exists in a colder climate with fair precipitation year round. What you got?
The boreal.
Yes. And what would you like to do? She was nervous. Oh yeah. Mom back. Yep.
Big pollen.
St. Colin. Okay, so y'all are out for a round. All right, moving on to Isabella. All right. This biome is hot with abundant daily rainfall. There you go. Your tropical rainforest is right. And what would you like to do? All right, Jordan's up. Okay, y'all are being skipped back there. Xander. This biome is very cold with moisture trapped above the permafrost. There you go. What would you like to do? Asher's up. Coming around to Drew. Are you up, Drew? Or are you sunk? You're sunk. Okay, Emerson, this is you. All right. Males typically possess which set of chromosomes? XY. What would you like to do? Hey, Drew's up. All right, so Kenna, we're at you, Kenna.
Yes.
What does active transport require that passive does not? Energy is correct. And what would you like to do?
Yeah.
I kind of want to, though, just because it would be funny. It's true. But here's what I say. After
Should we double say?
Sure. No, that wasn't done so. Asher, sit down.
Oh, sibling rivalry again at its best. So this is Barrett. What can cause a cell to produce the wrong proteins? There you go. What would you like to do with that answer? All right. Bye, Eunice. All right. So this is Claire again? Yes, Claire. Which of these commonly studied protists is autotrophic? Oh no. So use your process of elimination. Which one is clearly not going to be an answer? Right? This isn't real. So these are the three we studied. So now you got to think about what structures they had. What makes something autotrophic? No, it was going to be euglena. Remember the euglena had what? Chloroplasts. So you know it's going to be autotrophic. All right, so down with Claire. Who's up? Jordan. Phloem moves water and minerals from a plant's roots to its shoots. True or false?
Oh, it's me?
No,
It's Jordan.
Okay.
But he's.
Roots to shoots. Phloem.
I'm gonna go with false.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yes. Remember
I
the
just remember that there were vascular things.
flows down. So it's shoots to roots. Phloem flows. Not pushing or pumping. It's flowing down. Very good. What would you like to do?
Saint Bear. Sure.
Claire's down.
Bear.
Which one is it? Are we on like 70?
60 something.
Yeah, it seemed true.
All right, down he goes again. All right, so now we're back over here. We'll just go with Lucas. Are we ready? 63, Lucas. The cell walls of fungi are composed of chitin. True or false? True. What else is composed of chitin? Yes, exoskeletons of insects. And what would you like to do with that? All right, Caitlin's up. Coming around. Who is it? Which one of you is it? Xander's turn? All right, Xander. Organisms within this phylum often possess cnidocytes. Yes, B. Right. Cnidaria has cnidocytes. What is cnidaria? What's a cnidocyte? You used very good. This was very good at using your cute clues here. Even if you don't know the answer, you're like, it's probably cnidaria because it has cnido. Remember, cnidocytes are stinging cells. Little cells that sting.
Jellyfish?
Jellies and combs are cnidaria. Very good. Jellies and combs are cnidaria. That was the lesson that we had to do virtually because my mouth is trying to kill me, right? Very good. All right, so who's up now? Is it not Drew? It is Drew. It's Emerson. Emerson, 65. Oh, what'd you do? Raise Asher. Okay, Emerson, here you go. When Joe checks his brother's favorite hiding places when playing hide and seek, he's using what? Insight learning, innate knowledge, flexible cognition, or X-ray vision?
100.
You can get nonverbal clues from Claire. Oh, you're sunk? Oh, she's got none. Okay. There are none. You're all sunk. What'd you say? B is right. No, sorry. Sorry. I thought you said no. Yeah. Insight learning. Innate knowledge would be what you're born with, like instinct, right? Flexible cognition is not really, these aren't things. Insight learning. Okay. So she sunk. So you get one round off. Isabella. Yep. So it's Isabella. Question 66. Viruses can reproduce on common surfaces. False. Why? They need a host. Yes. Very good. What are you going to do with that? Yeah. Good gracious. All righty, Caitlin. All right, Caitlin, 67. Due to weak placental growth, marsupial young are born small, undeveloped, and require further growth and development in their mother's pouch. There's your clue. Placental growth. Marsupials are not placentals, right? So there it goes. Yep. All right. So down she goes. Read that one carefully on your exam when you see. They have uterine milk instead of a placenta, something called uterine milk. So they do grow in a uterus, but there's no placenta to nourish them. So once they get too big for the uterus, they're ejected. All right, who's up? Barrett? It's Barrett. 68. Habituation behavior is fully functional the first time it is performed, although the animal has no previous experience with the stimulus. True or false? False, right. Habituation requires that you be habituated to whatever it is, right? So that's correct. What do you want to do? Sinkana.
I was just about to answer
That's
the
the point.
question.
That's the
Ah, right. So now we're at Jordan. Question 69. Complete with the missing taxonomic rankings.
Kingdom, class. I'm assuming we're skipping the ones that are written.
Yes. You can just say the whole list if you have it. You know it. Dear King Philip, if you need it. Dear King Philip came.
Family species.
All right, he got it. There you go. Very good. Domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Dear King Philip came over for good soup. Excellent. All right, so I guess it's going to be. Oh, what are you going to do?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna write.
Okay. All right, Lucas, you're up. Question 70. The four kingdoms in the domain eukarya include Protista, and then these in this order. So you have to know what's the autotroph producer, what's the chemoheterotroph decomposer, and what's the heterotroph consumer.
Do I have to know the scientific name or?
Yeah, well, close enough.
Plant,
Yep.
fungi.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Very good. Plantae, fungi, animalia. If you do plants, fungi, animals, I will count it. I would prefer the correct one. All right, so who are we up? Is it Xander? Oh, no, you didn't do. Sorry. What are you doing?
Race column.
Raise Colin. All right, so now it's Xander. All right, Xander. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the. Yep, you got it. All right, very good. He's like, I don't know. All right, and what are you going to do with that?
Yes. I guess raise Asher.
Okay, Asher's up. Very good. All right, I'm going to raise Drew. All right, question 72. The blood moves to the blank where it is pumped to the pulmonary artery. So we're going in order. We just did right atrium. So where does it go next? No. Right ventricle. And they're down again. All right.
Wow.
Block that back again and make some new chairs. Oh, maybe a nice desk. Everybody's okay. Are we all good? Nobody injured? Okay, that was fun. Drew, that was a hell of a way to answer that question.
Table.
That's where his heart would move.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so Eunice, is this you now? All right, Eunice. Oxygenated blood coming from the pulmonary veins enters the
Left atrium.
left atrium. Very good. And what are you going to do?
Raised.
Raise Kenna. Now we're all up and functioning.
Yep.
All right, so Colin. Blood moves to the where it is forcibly pumped to the body. Left ventricle. Very good. What you going to do with that answer?
Not raising. Raise people.
All right, Caitlin, you're up. Now who are we on? Is it Asher? All right, Asher. These are the first set of leaves that sprout from a seed. Not the root, the leaves.
C.
There you go. Cotyledons. This would be the root, right? This is much later on petals. What's this? What's A? It is a part of anatomy. It's a part of like a snail's or a mollusk's anatomy. It's that little sharp tongue, that little tooth tongue that snails and certain mollusks have. That's a radula. All right, what are you going to do with your answer?
Sink and sink is bell.
Oh, down she goes. All right. So now nobody there. Coming around. Hannah. These types of plants have leaves with parallel veins, flower parts in multiples of 3, scattered vascular tissue, and many branching roots. Dicots? Oh! Parallel veins are going to be your monocots. Remember your corn, always remember your corn kernel, right? You can't split it into two like a lima bean, and your corn has those big stalks with the big parallel leaves. If you can picture a cornfield, you got it. All right, so then coming around, who's no.
Dicots are multiple two for me.
Well, 4s and 5s. Yeah. Okay, so who's up? Lucas? Is it you? Well, dicots have large central fruit and flower parts in multiples of.
Hello.
Remember this, we just said monocots had flower parts in multiples of a certain number, and that's divisible here, so it can't be your answer. These are divisible.
It's these.
A is right. Yeah, because monocots are 3, so it can't be this, this, or this, because those are all 3s, right? So it's got to be 4 or 5. What would you like to do? All right, Everly, you're up. Now who's up back here? I've lost track. Xander? All right, Xander. These are considered part of the immune system's physical barriers. Physical barriers. And remember that parts of the immune system can also be parts of another system because the immune system uses circulatory system, it uses integumentary system, right? They overlap. Yes, it's eyelashes. Very good. Your leukocytes and macrophages are not part of your physical barriers, and your lymph nodes are your lymphatic system, and they're a little different there. All right, what are you going to do with your answer? Zinc Eunice. All right. Ridley, I'm going to pull you up now. Explain how a macrophage functions in immune response. What do they do? We haven't reviewed it yet because it's today's lesson. I know, that's a typo. Yeah, I need to fix that one. Don't choose the ones they're telling you to choose. Number 1. Give it a guess. Yeah. It's B. So they remember they eat like amoebas. They're phagocytic, so they just come in and grab, engulf. All right, so I guess we're up to Jordan now. Question number 80. What is North America's only native marsupial?
I know. I know.
We can't help you.
It's the only thing I
They can't help you. Yep.
We do it, yes.
Wait, I knew old monkeys and new monkeys. I didn't know this.
Old world apes, new world.
I know it.
Oh,
The one thing I remember is that one.
it's the one thing you remember. Is
One thing I
this.
remember is the possum.
It is the opossum.
They get the one in the one.
Hey,
The one with the tail.
See?
Yes. Very good. What you gonna do?
It's so much. Okay.
Wait,
Isabella.
your hometown?
All right, 81. Who are we up to? Caitlin? Okay, this is the process of turning a sequence of messenger RNA molecule into a sequence of amino acids during protein synthesis. It takes place in the ribosome. What's this one? She's looking at you. What are we going for, Caitlin? Turning RNA into proteins, basically.
D.
Yes. All right. And what are you going to do with that?
They get their team out, it's the end.
Who's team?
Bears.
No. 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 Sing after.
Yeah, think that.
Yes, it does, it does, it does.
Say ten. Say
Sing after.
Think
Did I raise someone from a different team?
No.
No,
Why not?
because you got to raise somebody from your own team or sink somebody from another. Be mean, Caitlin. I know you have it in you. Sink and betrayer.
I didn't betray any. The betrayer.
Sing after.
Don't say me back.
I should be. Isabella.
Isabella, down we go. Okay, now I'm gonna need to make sure every team has at least two standing. Argue amongst yourselves as to who the two are. And from this point, if you're down, you're down. So you decide who your two are, and you decide who your two are. These guys are starting with how many are up? Were you 3 and all 4?
Wait.
Raise one of us. We still haven't found with.
Oh no, I will find it. I gotta scrub and clean soon, so I was gone all week. All right. Yeah, 2. I need, yes, you'll be able, at this point, you will be able to raise. But if you're sunk, if your team is sunk, your whole team is sunk, you're out. So are you two are up? You two are up. Okay, who is up? It's Barrett. It's Barrett. All right, are we ready, Barrett? I am an ectothermic osteoderm with 5 front toes, 4 webbed rear toes. I shall wash myself in the Ganges now. Namaste.
At least
Yeah, there's a clue in almost every one of these that's helps you out.
Yeah, they're right.
Like namaste would give you an idea of where this creature lives. I love everybody's like,
Say Terry.
Terry is not right. It's Quinn, your Gariel. Ectothermic, right? Cold-blooded, whatever. Osteoderm, he's got, like plates on his skin. 5 front toes, 4 rear toes. They live in India. There you go. All right, Drew, you're up. Is namaste sort of like thank you very much? I may not talk fancy, but I'm one fancy arachnid. Watch me dance.
Yeah, which one is it? Not one that. Yeah.
You can come up here to see him better if you can. Huh. He's answering the last guy who said namaste. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Yeah,
Elvis is right. The peacock spider. And what are you going to do? Raise or sink? They have 4 up. They have 2 up. They have 2 up. You have 2 up. Everybody but these guys have 4 up. All right, Colin, down you go. Is it Isabella? All right, Isabella. From the order Anora, I'm a tetrapod with a 3-chambered heart. I'm a performer too. I sing while staring at my clutch of eggs.
Are these the same clues as what you're gonna give on the final?
They're identical.
Okay.
Carrie?
Yes. Very good. And what are you going to do with that?
Is Eunice.
All right. Now I want you to notice, guys, that this is a conversation. The first guy said namaste. The second guy said, is that like thank you very much, which is clearly an Elvis clue. This guy says, I'm a performer too. So say you didn't know who Elvis was. This guy's saying, I'm a performer too. So that's a clue that the one before it was a performer. So you're kind of down to like Dolly, Elvis, you know, somebody who might be a performer. That should help you out.
Kendrick?
Yeah, Kendrick. There you go. All right, so who is up? Is it, no, you're sunk. Is it Caitlin or is it, yeah, it's you, because you went last. Okay, Caitlin, I know I'm special, though I'm the only one here whose body parts extend from a central point. I'm still not a star, Pooh. So you're talking about radial symmetry, if you're saying it extends from a center point.
Tally.
Yes, and what are you going to do with that?
Grace Collin.
Raise Colin. All right, so now we're up to, who is going now? Asher? All right, Asher. I'm a handsome oviparous endothermic avian aviator. I'm so good looking. See me? Hey, you see me? Don't be shy.
Could perhaps be Marvin.
It could be Marvin. There you go. So it's oviparous. It lays eggs. Endothermic. So you know it's not this guy. It's not this guy. It's not this guy, right? Avian aviator is a dead giveaway. So we've got Marvin. What are you going to do?
Sing.
Thinking Eunice.
He's not there.
Yeah, he's down actually. Oh no, did you raise him? Oh no, yeah, so now he's sunk. All right, so now we're up to Claire. Claire. I'm shy, but I hide something very special on the inside. Thanks to being a bivalve, I can keep that something special to myself.
Is it Agatha?
Yes, it's Agatha. She's the bivalve. And what are we going to do? Raising Ridley. Hey, Ridley, you've been down there a while, babe. All right, now who's up? Jordan? All right, Jordan. I can hide at home, but I have goals. Takes forever to reach them. I've got one eye on a potential gastropub for other gastropods.
Yeah, snail. George.
George is right. Very good. He can hide at home. He's wearing his home, right? Takes forever to reach those goals. Gastropod. Very good. And what are we doing?
I just did it.
Oh, you just did it. All right. So now we're Colin. All right, Colin. A scaly skinned ectothermic vertebrate, but not a squamate like Bernard. I'm a testudine who delights in dwelling in my dwelling. Yeah, it says but not a squamate like Bernard. So that just gave you a clue that Bernard is a squamate, right? You gotta know. How? Very good. And what are we gonna do? Zinc Asher. Down we go. So are you up? Okay, so it's Xander. All right. All right. Aren't I just the cutest cephalopod you've seen all day? It's not easy to look this cute. So I work hard at it all day long from 9 to 5.
Y'all, who raised you?
Stops being cute at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
2 to 5, so it's stop being cute. Yeah.
What you got?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's Dolly. Her name's kind of covered by this stupid thing, but yeah, obviously that's Dolly. There you go. Dolly is a squid. All right, and what are you doing with that, Xander?
I am basing.
Asher's up. Okay, Ridley. All right. I'm a gill breathing tetrapod. Some people think I'm cute, but don't worry, Dolly, I won't take your man. Jolene, Jolene. There you go. There's Jolene. Very good. The axolotl. Excellent. All right, and what are you going to do with that? You have a question?
Yeah, the name match the gender, so like.
Yeah.
Bigger man. So,
Yeah.
No, so no gay man. No gay man.
I don't see any men. I just see a bunch of animals. No, no. Mm-mm. Sink Isabella. Down she goes. So now is it Kenna's turn? All right, Kenna. Jolene says she's not after another's man, but I might be. Us nematodes are everywhere, so watch out. Look around. She's looking, she's looking. So it's your nematode. You got to find your nematode.
Okay,
Throw a guess.
Pete.
Pete is not correct. It's going to be Lolita. Now think about that. Lolita is somebody who would snatch somebody else's man, right? So there you go. Lolita. There you go. All right. So the hookworm. All right. So question 92. Who is even up? Everly? Is it Everly's turn? All right. Everly. Look up. I'm the only placental among my friends. That means you're more closely related to me than anyone else here. Boo. Kendrick, you got it. Very good. There's Kendrick. He said boo, right? He's a bat. And what you gonna do? Yeah, if you sink them, they're out.
Yeah, sink Lucas, sink Lucas, sink Lucas. Oh.
Oh, and they're done. One team out. Circling back around. Who is up over here? Asher? All right, Asher. Nothing scary about me. I'm just a little annelid like the ones you dissected in lab, but much more colorful.
This is a lot of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I remember this one.
I think this was the only one that I know on the test.
I don't remember this one. Oh, it's the Planera Felix.
It's who, Felix? It's Ingrid, the polychaete. Remember, annelids are segmented worms. That worm clearly has segments as opposed to like Lolita, who's a hookworm. So you're down. So who's up over there? Just Xander. Okay. Who's up over here now? Ridley? Cheer go. Oh, then is it Drew's turn? It's Drew's turn. Alrighty, Drew. Maybe squamates are scary, but I became famous when some boy wrote a song about me and karma. I'd much rather blend in. What you got?
Yeah, I'm gonna guess Bernard.
Bernard is correct. Now, this answer was actually in a previous question. Remember, it said, I'm not a squamate like Bernard, right? Hal's question said that. What is this bit? What's the clue about the boy? And who wrote Karma Chameleon? Boy George. There you go. There's your clue right there. Karma, 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 chameleon, come and go. Yes. Karma Chameleon. Who has not heard that song before? Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Until like 2 years
Ridley. Don't admit that in public. All right. Coming around to Xander. No, Lucas. Lucas, right? I was like, where are we going? Which group? It's Lucas. No. He's the only one left over there. Oh, no, Asher's still up. Okay. Lucas, you're up. 95. An oviparous endotherm. I'm the only member of my taxonomic order. I could be famous too, but I'd rather be a secret agent. Only member of its taxonomic order. That's a big clue.
I can't see it.
What's oviparous mean, people? It does what? It's egg laying.
Okay, platypus.
There you go. It's Nellie. Yes. What do I mean by I'd rather be a secret agent? Harry the platypus. There's your clue. It's right there.
I don't.
So now now it's Xander? Is it you?
I didn't do anything.
All right. So now you're up. All right. Oh, you didn't sink anybody. What are you doing? Sorry. You're sinking Xander. So now it's Asher? You're out. Your team's out. Okay. So now we're on to Ridley, right? Ridley. So it's between you guys and you guys. You have all 4 up. You have 3 up, right? Okay, Ridley, here we go. Slow your roll, gang. I could care less about being fancy, famous, or spooky. I'm just a terrestrial crustacean, which is a little bit weird. Clive. That's a pillbug aura. What else do we call them? Roly-polies. And what are you going to do? You've got these 4 or you're 1. Bye, Colin. I had a feeling that was coming. All right, so Caitlin, right?
No.
Rolling sounds fun, but I'm rather sessile and asymmetrical. I'm a member of the phylum Porifera.
Oliver.
Oliver is correct. Very good. What does sessile mean? Doesn't move. Can't move. It's stuck. 98. Claire?
You didn't sink
I'm
it.
sorry. What are you doing? I forgot. Raising or sinking?
Raising.
Raising Colin. All right. Now, Claire. Nothing sessile about me. I have 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of mandibles, 1 pair of maxillae, and 3 pairs of legs.
That's so hard.
Beat.
8 is right. And what are we doing?
Stick Everly.
Sink and Everly. Okay. So now we are on Colin. Okay. 99. I am a non-eutherian mammal with a rear-facing pouch. I'm also terrified of dingoes. Time to burrow down under.
Roberta?
Roberta is right. And what are we going to do? It's 3-3.
Thank you.
Bye, Drew. All right. So now we're back to Ridley. Question 100. I'm feeling a little flat today. I hope I don't lose my head. Did you keep yours throughout this review? For the win or for the loss? Felix is right. There we go. So that is all of it. Very good. So you ended up with, what are you going to do? Raise or sink? They have 3. It doesn't matter. It's a tie either way. All right. So it was a tie. Very good. And that it's exactly noon. So we finished exactly on time. Very good. Review, review, review. Know those animals. Know them.